Okay, Bradman here. I'm in the pigeon house with my little pigeon buddies. There you go. These are punk pigeons. See, they're punky. Oh yeah. Got a cool spiky mohawk haircut. I'm so punky. Oh, little punk pigeon. Oh. Little lorikeets over that side. This is a pigeon house, this side. So that's an emerald pigeon? Emerald dove or something? It's a rainforest bird, that one. And we got some more cresties and bar-shouldered doves. And a white dove. That's an Indian ringneck, that's not a native Australian bird, that one. Got a big fat pigeon over there, big fatty, and all the little cockatiels. You've probably seen these ones before. I've seen these on other people's videos. We've got a few different colours. But,